Characteristics of well-engineered software product. Efficiency. It means when we use software then it should be efficient while doing the task for which it was requested to get created by the customer or the management. Maintainability. Software should be easy to maintain with the changing technology and needs of the customer. In IT everything should be easy to maintain because it is so rigid then the user will have to replace the whole software after a certain time due to security concerns. Dependability. The user should find our software very much dependable as if they don't depend on it then why they will upgrade with our future paid plans. In time. The software delivery speed should be fast so that we can deliver our software to the customer in time. Within budget. It is the main principle of business since the lower the cost, the higher the customer number, lower the profit per product, higher the sales. On the other hand, the higher the cost, the lower customer number, higher profit per product, lower sales. Functionality. Our software should perform all the functions for which it is made. Adaptability. A well-engineered software should have the ability to get adapted to a reasonable extent to the changing requirements. Also, we have to develop our software by having our end users in our minds so that when we launch it, the users should find it easy to get shift from one platform to another.